Hey guys, I'm munching some popcorn here on the sand. We got some popcorn right there, as you can see. You won't be able to see it too good. Well, here's the only back reason. It's going fine and well. Till I look up and there's a cougar standing right there. I said, oh shoot. I'm just kidding, the cougar wasn't standing right there. I hope a cougar don't stand right there anyway. Please God, don't let that happen. Well, anyways, I dropped my backpack. I dropped my Sonic drink. And there's mud in my barrel with my gun. I think I got all the mud out, but I can't find my camera rest, so I know I can't hold the video the camera the whole time. Like, if I shoot a bird, I can't hold the camera and shoot at the same time. I just have to find a mud rest. But anyway, guys, hopefully we'll see some birds and nothing happening right now. So. Yep. Well, see you guys later. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, please. I'll start another video if I start dropping them, but till then, we'll see y'all guys later. Like I said, like, comment, follow me, subscribe. Here we go. See y'all guys later.